I thought we'd set all this up and you'd map this out properly, but doesn't look like it's working. So this is obviously the landing page for this free funnel, for the free ads hack course, which then goes into, it's supposed to go into this membership site that you built. So you uploaded this one here. So when I try to, I go to this page and I try to create an account. I don't know what's this supposed to? I can't log in, so I don't know. So I don't know how we're supposed to set this up, but obviously they opt in here for the free course. They join the free course, and they get just hit with this one-time upsell. And if they don't want that, they can just click no, and then they should go to this page here where they can log in. So they can either click yes, purchase an upsell for the black belt system, or no, and then they can just get access to this. But either way, when they join it here, they should be going into some sort of email sequence that sends them logins to join. So I don't know why. I thought you'd set all this up, but can you just let me know, give me an update of where this is at?